Hi, welcome. So today we're going to work on a sequence that you can use a chair for. You don't need the chair, but I find it's a really great prop to use. We're going to work with first opening up the shoulders and neck. I often find when we sleep at night in our beds, the body compresses, like it kind of gets tight every night when we sleep. That's just natural of how the body works. So when we wake up in the morning, it's always nice to stretch. That's the first thing we want to do is stretch and open up the body and the fascia because it does get tighter in our sleep. So this is a great practice to do any time of the day, of course, but making sure we're kind of really focusing on opening up neck and shoulders. Okay, so we'll begin. Option to sit on a chair. You can sit back in the chair as well, so you have support for your lower back if that's more comfortable. I prefer sitting more at the front end of the chair so my sit bones can really feel the chair and lift my spine up because we'd like to work with a tall spine always, keeping the integrity so we're not slouching and sitting back into the chair and the lumbar is kind of feeling like it's pinching there, like contracting downwards, compressing. So lift up. We're going to start with the knees over the ankles. That's kind of an alignment. You can just rest your hands on your knees or thighs, palms down. And just take a moment to settle and arrive for your practice today. There's a gentle drawing in of the lower ribs. So the lower ribs slightly draw in as you lengthen the tailbone down or slightly tucking it in. It's very slight. And then start to lengthen up through the spine, through the crown of your head. Bring awareness into your breath as you inhale. Feel your breath move into the nose, into the belly, belly expanding out with the inhale. As you exhale, feel the ribs and belly drawing gently inward. So there's an inhale expansion, exhale gentle contraction. And always feeling this nice deep full body breath into the belly. Sitting up nice and tall, inhale will draw the shoulders up to the ears, take them back and down. And let's do this a few times, rolling out our shoulders, which is nice and gentle, awakening. So neck and shoulders very much connected. So we always want to work with neck and shoulders for sure together, releasing any tension, any holding. Let's reverse direction, take the shoulders back, up, forward, and down. Continue that back, up, forward, and down. Let's do it a few more times. The shoulders are a ball and socket joint, just like our hip joint. So really finding these nice rotational movements. Switch direction again, up, back, and down, up, back, and down. Circle your shoulders. Find that nice deep breath, releasing any tension or holding. And then settle the shoulders on the back of your body. Sitting up tall, sternum is lifted, so the chest is lifted. And notice if you're sticking your tailbone out behind you. Remember, find that neutral with the tailbone. Really feel your sit bones connected to the seat and find neutral. Neutral meaning a gentle tuck in of the tail. Lift the sternum. Hands remain where they are, on the knees or thighs, and then we'll drop the chin into the chest, keeping the integrity of the spine tall. As you exhale, see if you can even let your head get a bit heavier, releasing your neck and your upper back and shoulders. And then see if you can start to feel your breath. Feel the breath moving into the back of the neck and the shoulders. And become so sensitive to the breath that as you inhale, you can gently feel the shoulder blades separating, moving away from one another. It's very subtle, but see if you can feel that. And then as you exhale, the shoulder blades slowly move towards one another. It's very subtle. See if you can feel that breath in the back body and how the breath and movement of the shoulder blades is connected. Head is heavy. Breathe into the back of the neck. Soften through your jaw. Take one more full belly breath with the heavy head.